so hot. The sun right here is literally it melted my dumpster top.
Want to know how hot it is in Australia? This hasn't been switched on. It's just been baking in the Aussie sun. Just goes to show.
God.
My fucking rear view mirror melted off.
Do you want to eat something?
Sure.
What do you want to eat?
I don't know, you fucking cunt. You choose.
Funny? Why did she say it like that? What do you want to do next?
I don't know. I said I don't know. What don't you get? You're a terrible friend.
It's too hot outside.